as a part of our science study in class 6, the chapter is called the motion game. So according to the study book, we have arranged an interesting race for our students. So let's see what happened. So boys, are you ready? One, two, three. Lake Informative Public School and College, and today we are having some activities on class 6 based on their science chapter called the motion games. And in this activity, they are showing different types of motion by playing different types of games. Just before that, they have a race, and now they have something called Dorilaf. I don't know how to tell this in English. So they are showing how different types of motion could be.